Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Writing an email to a teacher or professor requires a bit of thought and a sense of formality. And to avoid bloopers, dig in the video to learn how to write an email to a teacher. It is important to treat interactions with your teacher in a mature and competent way. The first rule is to be formal. Correct salutation and closure will definitely enhance your email. Don't forget to mention necessary and complete details about yourself. The second essential point is to be comprehensive. Your purpose of writing should be clear and focused. Your email should never be a vague piece of writing. The third vital point is to be polite while writing an email. Demanding and pushy sentences should not be used with the teacher or professor. The last vital point is that one should always proofread. It helps to wipe out all the unnecessary elements from the email. And that's it. You just need to keep all these points in your mind while writing an email and you are good to go. I am attaching a sample email for your reference. Until then, see you next time. Keep practicing.